Hey guys, I'm Blau. iZotope just gave me early access to something nobody on YouTube has shown yet, the brand new AI assistant inside Tonal Balance Control 3. And I built a session to test it. So let me show you how it works. My project today is a hybrid mix of lo-fi and hip-hop. The foundation was generated in Suno AI, but I've layered in my own MIDI instruments to give it more weight and control. On top of that, I've got iZotope vinyl with 30s style dust and scratch textures for that authentic lo-fi feel. Every track has iZotope Neutron inserted. This is a setup step. It gives the Tonal Balance Control 3 assistant access to the entire session from one window. Let's hear where we are right now. The main issues right now are the low end and the quiet vocals. Let's try to fix this with the AI assistant. I'm opening Tonal Balance Control 3 and using its built-in targets to master this track. In the menu, I'm selecting both hip-hop and lo-fi. If you move the slider, you can see that the hip-hop target has much more high-end, so I'm blending about 30% of the hip-hop target into the lo-fi target to keep it mostly lo-fi. Now I'll hit mixing feedback and wait for the assistant to analyze the audio. The assistant isn't happy with the mix. It says I need to boost the low mids, bring out the vocals, and tame the sub bass. The high end and the dynamics, however, are looking good. Since we are testing the assistant, I won't tweak anything manually. I'm just going to type into the chat, "Could you please set up everything yourself?" It agrees and starts making the adjustments. We can look inside the plugins to see what changed. It didn't touch the bass track directly, but applied Ozone 12 EQ on the master. On the vocal track in Neutron, it bumped the gain from -6 decibels to plus 0.5 decibels. Now we can compare this to how it sounded before. Despite the improvements, neither the assistant nor I am completely satisfied with the bass yet. So I ask the assistant, "Can you cut the sub bass from the bass track?" The assistant asks me which bass track I mean, the 808 or another bass track. I confirm it's the 808, and it immediately finds the correct Neutron instance and makes a -3 decibel cut around 30 Hz. I ask the assistant, "How does it sound now?" It asks me to play the track so it can listen. I hit play. Now it's completely happy with the mix. All tonal balance and dynamics metrics are in the green. It says that the vocals are sitting perfectly now, and every frequency group is hitting the target. So I ask the assistant, "So what's your verdict? Is this master ready for release?" According to the assistant, the master is technically ready for release. It still recommends checking the loudness, comparing it with a few reference tracks, listening on different systems, and most importantly, trusting your ears for the final decision. If you're interested in reading the full chat, I'll leave a link to the text file in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.